how to transfer TIA from Binance to Keplr Wallet. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up the Keplr Wallet from the extension on Google Chrome. And once you do that, if you scroll down a bit, here make sure that you have added Celestia as the available balance on Keplr Wallet. If not, then what you can do is simply click on this three-line icon from this drop-down menu. Then click on Manage Chain Visibility. From here, search for Celestia, and after that, you select the Celestia, and if you scroll down a bit, there you will get an option as Save. So click on Save button, and then Celestia will be added as available balance in Keplr. Again, open up the Keplr. Now to transfer from Binance to Keplr, from this drop-down menu on Keplr Wallet, click on Deposit. Here, make sure you copy the address for Celestia. And once you copy, now you have to open up the Binance again and make sure that you're logged in into your account. Now, once you land on this interface, head over to the upper left corner. From there, next to your profile icon, you will get to see this icon. If you hover your mouse over there from this drop-down menu, click on Spot. Then you will be taken to this interface. From here, again, click on Withdraw. This interface, scroll down a bit, and under this coin section, you select Celestia. And once you select that, under that you have to enter the address, and under this address section simply paste the address that you have copied from Keplr Wallet. And if you do that, the network will be selected automatically, and after that you will be able to enter the amount that you would like to withdraw or that you would like to transfer to Keplr Wallet. Select the amount and click on Withdraw button. After that, confirm your transaction, and once you confirm, you will be able to transfer Celestia from Binance to Keplr Wallet. That's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.